Have you ever wondered why the money in your bank account seems to be shrinking even when it's not being spent? The culprit is not some sophisticated banking software or a nefarious plot by the government. It's a much more universal phenomenon known as inflation. Inflation is a term that can send shivers down the spine of any economist. But what exactly is it? At its core, inflation is simply the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising. It's like a silent thief, slowly eroding the purchasing power of your money. Imagine having $100 in your bank account. With that $100, you could buy a nice pair of shoes today. But let's say inflation is at 2% per year. A year from now, those same shoes will cost you $102. If you've just left your money sitting in the bank, you've essentially lost $2. You might still have $100 in your account, but its value, its purchasing power, has been diminished. This is the insidious effect of inflation. Over time, it can significantly decrease the value of money stored in a bank. It's a silent, invisible force, constantly at work. And the longer you leave your money in the bank, the more it will be affected. So, is the bank a bad place to keep your money? Not necessarily. Banks offer security and convenience. They also provide interest on your savings, although this is often less than the rate of inflation. But it's important to understand that simply storing money in a bank does not protect it from the forces of inflation. The key points to remember are: first, inflation is the rate at which prices for goods and services are rising, and it's constantly eroding the purchasing power of your money. Second, the money you keep in the bank is not immune to this effect. And third, while banks do offer interest on savings, this is often less than the rate of inflation, meaning your money's value is still being eroded. Inflation may be an inevitable part of our economy, but understanding its impact on your savings can help you make smarter financial decisions. Because the truth is, while you can't stop inflation, you can certainly plan for it.